Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Stephen Justice and this is my first database lab experiment. According to the questions, you have given some attributes, that is customer table name and the attributes inside it, order, order line, product, supplier. These all are the tables and these are the attributes inside it. Now the first question is to create table customer with the primary key constraint. So first you have to create a table. You have to use create uh, command to create a table called customer and add the primary key constraint, customer name as varchar, the address as varchar, city varchar2, state varchar2, and postal code as int, and with a semicolon end it. The table is created. Next you have to describe the table. So I have described the table using describe desc and used the table name, so that describe customer you get all the attributes you have defined inside the customer. Now the second question is create all other tables. So in order to create other tables, same way you would use a create word table and the table name, put the attributes inside it and then create table. Now again describe the table to check whether all the values have been defined. Yes. Again I've created other table, order line, describe the table, create a table, product, describe the table, and create a table, supplier, again described it. So create a table and then described it. Now I have to add key references to customer ID attribute, foreign key reference. So foreign key is used in other table other than the original table. So I have to use alter table in order 1, add foreign key, that is customer ID. References is made to the customer ID in the customer table. See, the customer ID, this is the customer table and this is order 1 table. This is the foreign key added. Foreign key is added on this one. Then I have the next question, fourth one, modify the attribute to finish the product. So now I have the attribute alter table product name column product finish to product material. See, product table to product material, product finish to product material. Then I have add an attribute called price in the order line table. So alter table order line, add price and the number. So the attribute has which type is defined as number. Add is the word used to add a column into it. So now when you describe the table, you have an add price column with the type number. Then again you have other question, add and check constraint to ordered quantity column and check the quantity is above 5. So you have alter table order line, use an add word constraints, in which constraint, that is order quantity, check whether order quantity is greater than 5. Press enter and you have the table alter. When you describe it, see, the order quantity will be greater than 5. And now you have rename order line to order quantity. So alter table order line, rename to order quantity. Then you have add supplier address column to supplier table. So in order to alter supplier table, you use an alter keyword table, that is supplier, add supplier address varchar2 for 30 alphabets or 30 characters. When you describe the table, you have supplier address as varchar. Next you have describe all tables. So do you know how to describe all tables? Just use a desc keyword and the customer, you have describe order 1 quantity, product, supplier, and then you have add primary constraints to all other tables. So after you describe the tables, alter table is used to add the primary key. So in all of the tables I have added the primary key, product ID. In some way or another I have made all the tables some attribute as primary key. Now you have modify the data type of rating to decimal. So now you have alter table supplier, that is modify the rating to decimal 10 and comma 2. So now you have like two decimals. After the decimal points you have two integers. 10 is the total length of the decimal, and comma 2 is after point you get two digits. Add a null constraint to customer name and address. So now you have customer name and address will be null. Already it's null, so outer table is already not null. It's already not null. We can give the details here, but we have already changed it, so it is not null. Add a unique key constraint to order ID in the order table. So already we have done this. Order ID has been given not null, so this question can be dropped. And remove the unique ID constraint to that was added. You can remove it using alter table, drop column, supplier address. This is a 15th question, which can be used to drop the supplier address. Then you have 16th one. 16th one is drop the table order. So here you have drop table order. Table will be dropped. Whole table will be erased. That is, when you describe the table, there will be error. Now truncate the tables. Truncate table customer. Strip truncated. You will have all the values truncated. See. So this is the spool off. So it will give you the text file will be off. That's all. That's all for the first experiment. I hope we'll see you again in the next one.